plan here is just go through, use like a 1-inch chip brush, and if needed, you know, smaller, what you'd call like a shop brush, acid brush. Both of these you can get at Harbor Freight. Go through and just paint all the exposed metal surfaces. Once you do that, you let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Sand off any white residue that forms, which is normal. Any rust particles that have been converted through the phosphoric acid will turn a darker color, more so to a black. So that's what we're looking for. So we'll let that dry for a bit. We'll come back, clean it off, paint her, call her good. Suppose while our stand's drying, I can move the engine out of the way and do what I was originally gonna do anyway. Get a little run going here. The sooner I fix the roof, the less I have to do this. There we go. Well, it really is perfect by no means, but much better than it was. Now, we had several different types of paint to choose from, but what I got the biggest kick out of and what I really had just laying around, a nice Ford blue.